buttons are on this side. We're at Elizabeth Street Parking, and we're at the Elizabeth Street Carpark in Tauranga, and we've got another Schindler 3300 MRL. Well, this one's pretty quick. View outside after I film this. So it's a Schindler 3300 MRL. It's maintained by Otis. So the capacity is 1,000 kgs, 13 persons. Like the one at Spring Street, it takes its time to get going. So yeah, here's the cab. It's rather basic again. So FIGS fixtures. Hopefully we don't stop. It's interesting how it has a zero next to the number for every 2 floors. Here we are back at ground 1. There it goes, and that's it.